Whenever you're at a beautiful park like this, you want a nice, easy, quick cook up. So I have the freshest, most delicious loaded bagel idea for you. While we've been adventuring around Launceston, we have picked up some of the most delicious ingredients. The first place we went to was Natural Garlic and Tomatoes, Tasmania, to pick up these beautiful heirloom tomatoes. We've popped into Castlelinga Butchers for some delicious small goods. We have their bacon smoked in-house. I can't wait to try this one. And then the bagels. This is from Bread and Butter. These look stunning and are gonna grill up so nicely on the barbecue. First, we just need to slice our bagels in half. Then we can slice these beautiful sun-ripened tomatoes. Have a look at how good they look. I can just see and picture all of that flavor. And a cheeky little taste. Yep, perfect, so good. We've got our bagels all ready to toast. I've sliced up the tomato, ready to assemble, and now we just need to grill our bacon. I think we are going to make a few people jealous with this. Our traveler is already preheated. I love cooking bacon straight on the cooking grill. You get all those wonderful smoky flavors from the barbecue and stunning grill marks too. This bacon will only take about 3 minutes aside. While this is cooking, I'm going to enjoy the view. Check out this beautiful bacon. That fat is starting to render and we've got those beautiful grill marks. Yum. While we still have that delicious bacon fat and grease on there, we're going to use it to toast our bagels. These will only take a minute or two aside. I just want to get a nice crispy outside while the bread is still fluffy inside. Not only is this a beautiful place to come and relax, it is amazing to bring the families. You've got the swimming pool, there are people swimming in the gorge, and not to mention that sky rail. I can't wait to go on there. Apparently it is the world's largest sky rail. How fun! These only need a minute or two, beautifully toasted, and the sesame seeds, I can smell them toasting on that other side. How quick was that? Less than 10 minutes and we have this amazing spread of food. All that we need to do is now assemble it. So I'm going to start with my beautifully toasted bagel, and then we can go in with bagel's best friend, cream cheese. Just spread this on the bottom and don't be shy, we want to slather it on. Next we can go in with our super juicy and sweet tomatoes. Pop them straight on top of that cream cheese. And then I'm going to go in with a heavy season of salt and pepper. I could seriously eat it just like that, but we want to get all of that bacon, lettuce and avocado in there too. So the next ingredient that I'm going in with is our crispy bacon. Now we can spread that top half of the bagel with some avocado. Just roughly sliced it. And then we can spread that on. This is going to fill you up for a full day of fun in the sun. Now all that's left is a bit of lettuce. We want that crispy, fresh crunch. And that is it. Now we can just sandwich that together and then get ready for one big delicious mouthful. This is a perfect recipe to pack up, take with you and enjoy a beautiful location. Just a handful of ingredients and you can customize it to your own. Just make sure you toast those bagels and have at least one grilled filling. I think all that's left to do is for me to eat these, maybe find 3 friends and then check out that chairlift. I can't wait to see what I see at the top.